Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error code OneDrive in Windows. So how you can fix it? First you need to click on Ctrl, Alt and Del in one time. So after you do it, just wait after you see this icon, and here you choose Task Manager. So just click on it, and after you see Task Manager, just go to Process. And here in the scroll down, and here near the Windows Explorer you will find Windows OneDrive. So I don't open this. I don't open OneDrive. That's why I doesn't have it here. But also I will show you on Google Chrome how you can do it. Just right click on it. You will click on Windows OneDrive and just choose End Task. So after you do it, just try to open it again, and I hope that it will work and everything will work and you won't see this error again. So it's one way you can do. Second way is just to open your computer, your file manager. So I will make it bigger. So just open your system disk, go to Windows, Windows System 32, find here. So sorry, I forget that it's not in Windows folder but in users. You just go back to your system disk, and here you find users folder. You choose it, choose your administrator, and here you will see app data. So just open it, choose local, and in local you find Microsoft. Here you can see it. And you go down, you will see here OneDrive. Just click on it and open here. In OneDrive you need to open Setup, Logs, and here you scroll down, and here you will find in the end of the list these two files. So just choose these two files. Just clicking on it. You can click Ctrl and click Ctrl and choose one file and another, and you will choose two files in one time. Right click on it and choose Delete. So after you delete it, just restart your computer and everything will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.